Imagine this. You want to speak English fluently, but grammar books feel boring. Long lectures feel overwhelming. And practice partners? They're hard to find. What if you had your own personal English coach? Available 24/7, correcting your mistakes without judgment, explaining words in the simplest way, even role-playing conversations with you. That's exactly what ChatGPT can do. And when you combine it with graded readers, simple story-based books made just for learners, your English journey becomes fun, natural, and unbelievably effective. In this video, I will take you step by step through a powerful method to learn English with ChatGPT, master graded readers, and finally improve your English fluency faster than ever before. So, let's begin. Step 1. Why learn English with ChatGPT? Most English learners struggle because they don't get instant feedback. You write or speak, but you're never sure if it's correct. ChatGPT changes that completely. You can practice writing sentences, and it corrects them immediately. You can ask grammar questions, and it explains them in simple, clear words. You can even role-play conversations with you, ordering food, job interviews, or daily chit-chat. And the best part? ChatGPT never gets tired, never gets bored, and never judges your mistakes. Think of it as your friendly English partner, always ready to help. Step 2. Start reading with graded readers. What are graded readers? They're specially written books designed for learners at every level. Beginners get short, simple sentences. Intermediate learners get more detailed stories. Advanced learners enjoy full novels or adapted classics, all in learner-friendly English. Here's how you use them with ChatGPT. Read a short chapter every day. When you find a new word, ask ChatGPT to explain it with examples. After finishing a chapter, write a short summary. Let ChatGPT check and correct it. Finally, ask it to quiz you on what you just read. This simple routine not only builds vocabulary, it strengthens your memory and comprehension like never before. Step 3. Practice conversations with ChatGPT. Fluency means speaking without stopping too much to think, and practice is the only way. So, ask ChatGPT to act as your speaking partner. Choose a topic: travel, job interviews, making friends. Type your responses as if you're speaking. ChatGPT will reply naturally. And if you want, it will highlight your mistakes at the end. For example, you say, "Hello, I want order a coffee with sugar." ChatGPT responds, "I think you mean, hello, I would like to order a coffee with sugar." This constant, gentle correction makes you confident over time. Step 4. Build vocabulary the smart way. Forget memorizing long lists. Instead, use ChatGPT with context. Take 5 new words from your graded reader each day. Ask ChatGPT to make example sentences. Then create your own. Let ChatGPT check them. This isn't just memorization. This is real-life learning. You're using the words, living the words, and making them part of your voice. Step 5. Practice listening and pronunciation. Even though ChatGPT is text-based, you can still use it for pronunciation. Ask for phonetic spelling. Use text-to-speech tools to hear the natural sound. Then record yourself and compare. Slowly, your accent gets clearer, your rhythm gets smoother, your voice becomes confident. Step 6. Stay consistent with a daily routine. Fluency doesn't come in one night, but with just 30 minutes a day, it becomes possible. Read a short part of a graded reader, write a short summary, role play for 10 minutes, learn 5 new words. Day by day, week by week, you'll see the difference. Step 7. Overcome fear, build confidence. Most learners feel shy, afraid of mistakes, afraid of judgment. But with ChatGPT, there's no fear, no embarrassment, just private, safe practice. The more you use it, the braver you feel. And when you finally speak to real people, you'll be ready. Step 8. Combine digital learning with real life. ChatGPT prepares you, but real life completes you. After practice, go out and use it. Talk with friends, join online English groups, write comments in English on social media. Suddenly, conversations feel easier, and you realize you're no longer just learning English, you're living English. So, now you know the secret. Learn English with ChatGPT. Use graded readers to strengthen your reading and vocabulary. And with small daily steps, improve your English fluency. Remember, small steps every day lead to big results. If this guide inspired you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon. More powerful tips are on the way, and I promise they will change the way you learn English.